Mwichumu likiribono na gukwanira ndonsi ya sobereta semarogoba ya bono chinga kichini gukwarigania semesa ya mongana majia yaro gukomanyigati ya ritu abereto gukwarigania kurwa semambia yarenge ntambe kwa kachinse chigabono chabono marogoba ekero kiribono yaragire Ensa Eyemo ya East Africa gosenera Africa ya mocha asiribonyare ko sansamurane na gukomanya mange anasokorobekana kwa bakokolekana litokolia lero ase chinsemo au inyurabona bokondra gotubwate goteranse melie mtendense ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the digital na begensemelia YouTube na boto na buna Ndizi TV News ritanganike gima tanyara mangana ya senchira yoko ya chuta.
As a result, this morning, because of lack of business in the CBD, the country has lost almost 2 billion shillings in terms of business.
Okorobekana kwa lero nigo kwerera ogosira gwe chiringi chibilioni bereme yomucho Nairobi asansemo yobonjere yotebira omukonyi bomurai wenseri Rigathi Gachagua.
Vita kila Jumatatu kutakuwa na mgomo, kutakuwa na maandamano. Sawa.
Okorobekana oko nigo kwarenga omuchakano bono nigo turabe tokorobekana kirali tukolia Jumatatu tebira omurewe kyamagia ODM Raila Odinga.
As we speak, somebody has been shot at Jacaranda, Embakasi East constituency, and 2 people killed at Kibra constituency.
Asokorobekana kweli tukolia lera abantu batatu nigo bakwa masasi gose chimbunde babere bakure tobire babu wino. Asa yuamonenda mangi saranso ikamono komonya senchira yobo ikiranu litoko bwaterana ergo itirasomo na bwimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritirana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chaka na mangana linge tokorobekana okubona gwakolekana chinsemo ojakira sorongo rwa Gusii ya county ya Kisii okorobekana okuba igobuna chinsemo chine gwakolekana kolenda sumu baromoke ebesoke na konyara okorobekana ya county ya Kisii no nabogati yabanta bangase county yo nigo bagikiri okorobekana kweli tukolia lero muri Keito Mildred Mumanye na roboti rwa senchira yoboime.
Rituko liria liaganyereire na bakenya abange eliobo igoli ararigwa no moraibwe kyamagia ODM Raila Odinga kobali tukolia maandamano ime ya Kenya nigo omubaro bwa bakenya abange besokia chinsemo iliogotenana na Odinga ase akomocha serikali asogotekerania chira asaba Kenya. Imeya county ya Kisii nigo abananchi besokia nonya omubaro olengomoke ase around about yomochobosongo ase okomubwate sia Raila Odinga ase nonya nabo igo batebire obogima nigo bagendete gokonga kegima
amatuko ka rwetu 100 days twatebe tugunga president William Ruto ngo yeri arenge binde bono igachinjara cyabere kinyumba twasinyirunga itogo chigocha abandi bara babwata abana gakishu ali president utare wajonye mirimo yago sinyire otoero mugako yo papa asugume Kenya yaito posendo twaro morembe
lakini egento kero kinda dembate yaba na inchi bonse igabamanya ngaruto no mokora rute kerare gwita kerase gare batebange serikali uchukunda ne ya boda na mama mboga tari gukwana kende gwita nyigire kia itete round akungaine yaba te bichana nganinwe agote baba ngina ninwe bono ga kitari mubi egento kerie korukunga no imukie bible igoro oirimo kiange paibu igorote bangarai Ruto ingachorire oyo boda.
Mimi natambua Raila Odinga tu mimi hata bibi huwezi kuosiwa uchukue mwanamke wa wenyewe utaki bibi unatafuta yule bibi mwenye anakufurahisha. Mimi nilipigia Raila kura najua is chief ya mimi napenda Raila
mwako mmoja watebanga Raila inua matajiri muri Kenya baka abantu beti kanisa mwatene ni imara motebenga kiense akobeka biri uyone roko rwanera gitomoro jina tobanjera toigote
gatia bananchi abwoni gobagania omoraibuense Dr. William Ruto gochia komotegerera Raila Odinga iliogokonya abakenya abange
bari gwanje banyara ko bakomira na Raila banyara ko bakoro barone kibaranyara ko bakokonye ense ekegere ense gochire Gusii no mugambi Raila Odinga wake ngambe muri Kenya bwarete ya mangana devolution yoga ere kurwanira the common mwananchi we love you Raila Odinga ikitokea Raila ikitokea William Ruto yule president yetu twari gusaba wanyina maandamano watare koboronye dikuari gwancha mumbirane na Raila Amolo Odinga ni munyarago muguturie ensi yitu ya Kenya
nonya boigo abakomobwatesia omorai wense ni gobagania aigwe chinga kicinyororo goikerania amaganio y'abananchi
chinga kinyororo agere arobyo gimana ndo bayete ngatua mochorete nande ngaro tawangere kurwazo na tokonya
hase chinga kiecho omonyakerogo bwe kiama gya ODM Gusii ondieki nigo abagania abananchi gwesokia asobonge asomorembe eliokobwatesia Raila Odinga ekiagera obogimani gobagendete gokonga kegima
moro jasbikre serikali yeroro tigo tokontene igo lasma mojesco lasma to protest na toya de protestia na ende no yorenka tima de no metenga ebintu biatirigo serikali yetigo tuirobia igo we kalto demonstrative tuara maandamano tobakani egera bayi
boigo nigo omo MCA bwe wadi ya Gesusu agikeria amandamano asagania abananchi gokora emeremo yabo ya butambe
tinga omugusi ororire mutwe ororire nga amandamano tagocha komokonya maandamano tago koletera ndagira mesa iguru onye shida kero tigabarai bari bachorire ba address shida yiguchia samo president wose asabantu bali bagusikaina na manganaye
koripota lya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV iletaliane Mildred Mamanyi
Biamono omurikito Mildred Mamanyi soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano moncho murigere boigo gotigara samangana renge tokorobekana tomurekireme ye county ya Nyamira boigo buna chinse mochindeme ye county ya Nyamira gati ya bwatane bali bakokoboko mu bwazimio wane Kenya ni gobeso kina gokorekano sena gokorokorobekana ase county ya Nyamira na sokwe murunganiria amagoli y'ebintu byengencho buno murikito kurwa se county ya Nyamira jobo maange agotomanya
Omochie Onyamira babugoretie amabango alikire punguza bei ya unga chisuguri ebichiko nebiburugo bakora unomurai w'abasaye ekyombe kyazimio Dennis Marube nomo MCA okyabonyoru Vincent Benecha ababwatani bazimio kurwa se county Nyamira mbakora okorobekana ogotindi Omorai w'abasaye ekyombe kyazimio county Nyamira Dennis Marube nagikeria ogokongo gwekerengo kyobogima
ebe ya mafuta mbuyere enagira nyumba mbuyere obosimoro emeremo mubwate
boigo enganenda ate abayirera okorobekana kwabo na sengencho yokwebo kwa bamenyi be county Nyamira ase ogochoro kwa mabaga ya serikali
mulisikia waliahidi vijana kazi mmepata hiyo kazi yule mwingine pia alipigiwa na wauni wake si ndio lakini sasa niwaulize katika CAS katika nyadhifa zote katika vio zote Gusii tunatosha vio
ensemo yaye omwemsio kyabonyoru Vincent Benecha natukuterare ogochoro kumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asate abobochori obumbwa bwate obwasioku
ntoye tambuetu sababu ntoye yakerete kura etwakerete Papa Raila Amolo Odinga chikura gosabana taribo obokora nobo kabara nobo turutumbo bakorete ntogo chigwancherana
ilifanya uchaguzi bandia ndio maana mnaona Kenya wanahangaika so sisi tunaomba kwamba sava iweze kufunguliwa mnakubali wafungue sava
namochia serikali asekagire gotumika enibo yaye bobe ikirire ogokongo gwekerengo kyobogima
basinyirwe serikali aseme tinyi saba igari state out bagutumia siringi bilioni 7 aseme emetinyi saba yoka egere omwana inchare nchare kabire imoigotete
abanyanyimbo maikirana ensemeyo nagotingia oboreni Kurwase county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Biyamuno umurikito kurwase county ya Nyamira Job Maanga sorobo churwase ntere yobo ikirano bogo tigarase county yo omubunge kurwase bunge ya West Mugrango meya county ya Nyamira Steve Mogaka neranige sokira na gukwanire ngane yo nasokorobekana gwakorekana chinsemo ase Ensa ya Kenya gukwana Mogaka ni gateberune katiba ne anchere tabantu korobekana asensemo ya eriga riganiryo kurobekana kweli tukulia rero nakomoche banyanyimbo asokorokana kobasona na bali bale gokorokorobekana anasensemeli ya Azimio 1 Kenya
Kenya aro ukurubekana ngwanjire it is within the law na ina yatembe mutambe mutundu bwensi oge chigunenchira ibintu bikogendrase ya essence ya Kenya naba anjire gosoka akorumuru na inje uno mujumbe ku West Mugrango ekerongo soa safe law ya bunge na intungo so kitolichi sase azibintu bikolero biyeta hotel asibigo korubobe uikana ende hotel Onyancha tugwasia serikali na aba chumba balitochorere asekia magia Jubilee lakini yuko babwasia na asemere memia nimeruye ya Kenya nere sababu ekero president ya tebire ngochale wiki ye Gusii ngochagali sirunga atua njere toasie industrial park negetikia ndege amangana yigo tukumubwatsi gukora na gosuka gochia chinsemo chinenye bono korobekana ko kwa roberi tukulia restarike merongevere nigo kwarengete mono goikase nyumba yobora state house miyo mucho Nairobi abwaso murewe kama keo demrero moro dinga seri tukulia rera sokorobekana ko abakaga sabakago tangwa tabase goso agati yomucho Nairobi gose CBD abanyanyimbo abege tobole ndio botinde katikati yomucho Nairobi nigo batanga omuganda monene oyolengete goso agati yomucho Nairobi na maga ya yolegeti goikase nyumba yobora State House kolengana n'abanyanyimbo ni kubatwara ko munanogo tinde gati ya gwatani ba ODM na bayigone bya mabinde ano inse yeri ya buririya Azimio 1 Kenya gati ya bwatani ya boyigo ase barenge numurayibwe kyamikira morodinga kubwatana mathakaro amana barayibande Kalonzo Musyoka nigo yababeteriye kuri gacincere cinga ko genda nsemende go kigokora umusangirikano maiga yogo tangwa na gotwaro 10 tinde asomucho Nairobi rituko lya lero na kira yubona genrete chinga kishumega yogo tango goso gatigati yomucho Nairobi ni gono murewe kyama kya odemrera morodinga Eyemo kesabali yego chinsemo ime yomucho Nairobi maga yogo tarensemo yakamkunja mune chinsemo chinde nairo kwana kurwa chinsemo chibono ni gate abono oyo ni gorengo muchaka no bokoro kibuna Azimio 1 Kenya mubwato mu bokorobekana asense ya Kenya nigo chinga kichire irate abuna okorobekana bono imense ya Kenya nigo korabe ko korekana kirito kulia Jumatatu goike serikali yemukirege tambokero na koigwa okogani kwabo
tumefika leo tumekuwa na maandamano town lakini jamaa wamepiga teargas wameleta polisi kutuzuia sisi wamevunja katiba na sheria kwa sababu tumekuwa tumepeana notice ya kwamba Jumatatu Wakenya wote watakuwa na maandamano ya kiamini. Na leo wameshikwa na uoga, lakini mama bado leo ni kiwango, tutaendelea mpaka tufike kule tunaelekea. Hili mambo bado, tumeanza vita. Kila Jumatatu kutakuwa na mgomo, kutakuwa na maandamano. Sawa. Vita imeanza. Sawa. Haitaisha mpaka Wakenya mpate haki yao. Mko tayari?
Na ikiwa yubona genreto moseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna abana bwatani bande bwe koniko banyara chinka kichinko ngwime ya county ya Nairobi ekorobe bwatirani kiandike komya soko robekana kweli tukoliale nana boniga abanyanyimbo osense moyo bolendi yanyara koba kongli bugimaseri tukolialero atana na batikara kwe murungani amaega ya bwatani bande kurwaso muri bazimiyo kunyara kobe kubyara aseri tuko yalero.
Senator, are there leaders who have been arrested?
Yeah, they have arrested.
Yes. How many leaders?
Tumemaliza kazi, sisi tunaenda nyumbani. Sasa Beatrice,
Senator wa
Kilifi Senator?
Yeah, Kilifi Senator has been arrested. Yeah, na alikuwa arrested tukiwa ndani ya KICC. Sasa unashangaa kwani wakienda kwa ofisi yao ni shida? Why are you being arrested because of that? Ni senators wako kazi.
You are looking the wrong side. Look here.
Sisi tunashangaa.
Wakili munaenda? Where are you heading wakili?
We are just walking.
Sasa sisi tumesikia watu wetu wamezuiliwa kila mahali. Sasa tumetoka KICC tunaenda kuwakomboa turudi nao. Na hatuondoki. Tunaenda kuchukua watu wetu turudi nao.
Any plans about Raila Odinga's whereabouts?
We will let you know.
Atakuja.
Assignment for
Shida ni nini bwana?
Chapa tu.
Shida ni nini?
Na boigo habasairi tukuliarera ni gobesokia asobunge chinsemo aiga sense ya Kenya soko bwatana muri bwazimio wane Kenya soko rokorobekana litukuliarero gati abasawo boigo ni gobalire irabuna mbachiko bwatana no murebe kemage ODM rero Amoro Odinga asoko rokorobekana lituko sekera litukulia Jumatatu kolengana no kuburia ku murebe kemage kino mu bwazimio buna go ikabanyale ko igwekero kia azimio wane Kenya ana soko mo chensemeria ya serikali. Pasai tukuliarera ni gobesokia aiga Kenya soko bwatana muri bwazimio wane Kenya soko rokorobekana litukuliarero gati abasawo boigo ni gobalire irabuna mbachiko bwatana no murebe kemage ODM rero Amoro Odinga
ni vile tu gari iko na karatasi.
Mwijumurigiri bono akira togenda gusukana kumurekera amangana arengete okurobekana okuona okurokana gwakorekana mwanjumurigiria asensemeria ya Kibera chibiche chikwara somwanchi asetivi yao nigo chiarenge kurwa sensemo ya Kibera bono tigo twigwengana yabasae anene kurwa asorgongo rwa Kenya obate mbachi kubwaterana na Raila Amolo Odinga asokorobekana wakira Jumatatu.
Peleka wao. Peleka ndani.
Sasa hivi picha.
Tunataka 2023 letwe ndio tusikie hata utamu ya maandamano.
Maandamano bila diatasi maandamano.
Watu wako waache watoke kwa njia tuende tao ama ni aje?
Barabara mlipata iko. Msifunge barabara.
Wache kufunga barabara. Barabara ni ya watu wa Kenya.
Barabara ni ya watu wa Kenya bwana. Na sisi wote ni wa Kenya kama yeye. Bwana anatufungia.
Kama ni amani tukaambiwa kuvaa white. Sasa hizi ni nini shwani? Hii wanataka kutua.
Tunawashwa.
Okungusana na boigo niko kwagendera kone kigwase chinsemo anasokwa meririgoro yobokori wa Kenya kwanza abwase kiama kile kya ODM kubwatira namwe bya mabinde inseri ya buriri yazimio wani Kenya batigarete kwe murunganiria asobokori bwa serikali gati ebintu biri bakwe murungani boigo no gukina kwa magori yebintu asabayigo bate bire bunambaga ntisafa koigorwa anene asabagote buna Raila niga wodichikura anasobo choryo wanene waba bogoeta.
First, I want to condemn the arbitrary arrest of our leaders. And as we speak, our minority leader, Honorable Wandai, has been taken to Kiambu. We don't know what they want to do to him at Kiambu. Number two, I condemn the killing of our supporters, the killings of our supporters. As we speak, somebody has been shot at Jacaranda, Embakasi East constituency, and 2 people killed at Kibra constituency. Ruto, you talked about not using, misusing, and abusing the police. But what are we seeing as at now? And I want to tell you that this is just the beginning. We shall not relent. We are coming. This is just the beginning. And the police, I want to congratulate you because at least now you are using the taxpayers' money wisely. Please buy more tear gas. We need them. Kwanza ya leo ilikuwa tamu sana. Na bado tuna prepare. We will not relent just because of tear gas and bullets. We will fight back. If you fight us, we will fight back. The police wamekuwa na shida hata kushinda wananchi. Na nyinyi you are being misused. And I want to tell you that what we are planning, because today is just a rehearsal, what we are planning is better imagined than experienced. We will be holding demonstrations on a weekly basis.
Kana wazi ya kwamba nchi hii inahitaji mabadiliko. Wale viongozi wetu ambao wameshikwa, minority leader ya Senate na minority leader ya National Assembly, wawachiliwe unconditional. Tunapatia serikali ambayo wametumia polisi kwa njia ambayo haifai, wawachilie kwa masaa 2 in 2 hours. Those leaders must be released unconditionally. La sivyo mambo yatakuwa mbaya zaidi.
That police are being misused in this process. As we speak right now, they have withdrawn security for all the MPs and all the senators, and we want to tell them, even if you withdraw our security, wananchi will still protect us, and we'll all still fight for the things that are affecting Kenyans. Secondly, there are some people who are saying that when Baba declared today a public holiday, that he should have done a gazette notice. I want to tell you that Baba himself is a human gazette notice.
Yes.
If he says today is a day that we are out there fighting for Kenyans, for the things that Kenyans deserve, then we are out there. And this is not the end of it. So I just want to urge everyone, even the people back at
na boigo kirayu agenret ni gono mokonyo muri Vincent gashagwe sokirina gokwane ngana yokorobekana seri tukoria lero kolenga na gashagwa ni gateberu na kubwatekana no korobekana na sensemo ya Nairobi awaso woncheri bwarokana kole mara seri tukoria lero ni gagote yabuna ni go ekensemo ya Nairobi sensemo ya woncheri ya Ensa na boiga serikali ya berekeo siria shilingi bilioni bere echibana tebire chiale to kubwatekana nesagasaga muno korobekana kubona kwa bagokoroberwa anomo boli bwazimio wane Kenya gashogani gateberebu na serikali ya nyorera sarenene na kugania serikali nabo gokubwata na kuligwa azimio wesokia na kobeka nsemo amangana rengete okorobekana.
Number of business people in the Central Business District in Nairobi did not open their shops and businesses, arising from fear of looting and destruction of property, having considered what happened in Kisumu, where the Azimio people looted tents, chairs, and food. And Azimio people are threatening business people not to open by threatening that they will loot their wares. As a result, this morning, because of lack of business in the CBD, the country has lost almost 2 billion shillings in terms of business. And this is money that should have been circulating in the economy. We want to urge these people to consider this afternoon to call off the chaos, the mayhem, the intimidation, because what they are doing is destroying our economy. The economy had begun showing signs of recovery, and we were getting a lot of affirmation from international financial players and no other partners. But the events that are being organized by the opposition is not good for business, it's not good for the economy, and we want to ask the organizers to consider this afternoon to call off the mayhem and the chaos so that those who did not open their businesses and shops can go back to work this afternoon.
Nago bekensemo amangana lingeto korobekana tomurekere amangana nde korwa chinse mochinde omurai wense William Samoei Ruto niga togiriyo kabero musulita General Kenyo Geto asega siabete kago ikere na boigoni gatebirana no kwegena asoyo guchikera libagaria ya Shadrack Musoyo kuligekero kokyo jumbe kurase bungeri ya kitute masaba nagote una no kwegena na chikera nimirimo yaye asenchira ebwenerete.
Our Solicitor General, I have worked with him even in this transition period, and I am very confident, and I already told him that the future is bright, and he will move on to other responsibilities that will tap into the experience he has acquired at the office of the Solicitor General to be able to serve the country in other capacities. And I have already told him I look forward to working with him further down the road. And he has been very useful in resolving some of the issues that currently are outstanding between the government of Kenya and other entities that we are in contractual obligations with. And again, on behalf of myself and this administration, to Ken Ogeto, thank you very much for what you have done in the service of our great nation. And again, your distinguished service will not go unrewarded. We will again work together going into the future. And this is the spirit of passing on the baton to the next person. I am sure Ken has done his bit. He will do his bit in another place, and somebody else will, like that, we hand over the baton as we build the nation together. Let me congratulate the family for standing by my good friend Shadrack Mose, and I am very confident that we're going to have a good working relationship as we build our nation together.
Mwenchumulikiri bono hinyora ni gogendere tokotengera Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusii na bwakondera gotobwati gwetena semeli mtandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bagya semeli ya YouTube na bwakotera buna Ndizi TV News kwekeraga mutatokoga ndo mutumo kwa mako mwenchumulikiri yako nende tokwirina ndosanga mange bono ingokwerweka sensemende studio ya kabero kwa studio B aso kumena Victor Sultan mwana wabangia tumanya mange ane kurwa sensemeli ya hiyechi gosore tiganyora machi nkwirana ndasege kegeke kerebosio.
Mbemono Vincent Onyancha korwa sense mende studio moncho muriria ngo kwariga nyanko manyali agendrete gukoreka anene korwa sense mo chigosori nyoranga musubati korwa soro ngorwa Gusii kure igoro na irugetie bendera Ensa ya Kenya gorende nincho kumanyanga nkorwa ralia iga kurende tushakire Amayia chigosori kure rero korwa se county ya Kisii ligi ne ya NSL abwa se egeti kia Gusii stadium lit kolia rero nigo kiane kia egosori egati ye timu ya Gusii FC amone timu ya MCF. Gusii FC nigo ya siri alibagania bene lyo kwebeka ase na mbengia ase ligi yo ya NSL maiga yogo ikorwa ni timu ya MCF kwa na maiga ya gosori yo mukocha bwe timu ya MCF David Maira ngatebere buna nale no kwegena ngano nyaba gosori ba embara korabu ya ase round ya ntangani bachikwana kinga ngokora ya ase round ya kabere ya ligi ya NSL.
Na kulingana na game ya leo vijana wangu wamecheza mzuri because unapata tumecreate a lot of chances, tumekuwa at least na 4 open chances. Kwa hiyo vijana wangu wamecheza mzuri sana na hopefully maybe going forward vitu zitakuwa mzuri. Unajua pia nadhani pia Gusii leo wakija kuna na vile table iko na sisi tuko kidogo walikuja kiwa na underration pia kidogo na stick to chapo. Kwa hivyo sisi umetupatia motisha kwa sababu tunapoteza hiyo game tukasema last year Shaban tuliwachapa, this year wametuchapa. Kwa hiyo nikapenda vijana hata sisi tunaweza kama wanaweza kuchapia tuweza chapo nyumbani hata sisi pia tunaweza shinda wewe. So nikapenda vijana nikamwambia kwa sababu ile team iko na pressure wako number 2, kwa hivyo sisi hatuna pressure sana kama wao. So vijana wakuje enjoy game yao. Okay, haijakuwa nzuri kwa sababu tulipoanza coach mpya alikuja. Alafu baadaye akachukua na poster game kama game 4 zilizopita. Kwa hivyo kidogo sasa nimeanza another transition. Kwa hivyo hopefully maybe tutaomba Mungu ni turn things around tuone kama second leg tutakuwa more competitive kama vile tulikuwa last year. Next game na Migori niko nyumbani pale Machako zile uwanja imefunguliwa. And hopefully maybe Mungu akifanya mambo yake hopefully na open tapata point 3 so that at least niweke mahali nione vile nitataka second leg.
Tigarabwa wasegeti kia Gusii stadium lit koregoro ligi bado yene ya NSL timu ya Shabana ni goya negativo bui wechigo libere ase ligi na liesagero amo na Muranga Seal chigori chia Shabana yo chabegetwe na bagosoria Dakuli amo na Vincent Nyabuto kobaene keria Shabana bui kogendera gotigara ase libagali tangani ase ligi yo ya National Super League.
Wachezere continue style.
Kwanza Muranga ase gosori ye timu ya Muranga Seal ni go yatamite kurwa